It is all too common for employees to stop working for a company, but to leave their assets invested in the company 401k. In specific situations, it may make sense, such as when you're anticipating needing the funds after age 55, but before age 59 and a half, as there's a provision in the tax code that allows distributions during those years once you're separated from service to be exempt from the 10% pre-59 and a half penalty tax. However, most people should consider rolling those assets over into their own IRA. In my experience, most people don't keep up with their residual investments in previous employers' company plans as well as they do when it's in direct accounts. In addition, it is possible that the investment expenses in the company plan might be higher in order to pay for the plan accounting and financial representatives. It's also possible, if you had worked for a major corporation, that the expenses of the funds could be lower than what you could purchase on your own. I would recommend speaking with your financial advisor about your specific plan before transitioning any funds. Regardless, changing the investments to your own retirement account will provide you with a lot more flexibility in investment choices. While company plans typically have around 20 investment choices, in your own account, you will have the option among thousands upon thousands of investment types and choices.